I think that'll probably hold for a time being. Oh, mother. Asshole. Folks, that there's a cord on this ship. That's unbelievable. On both of them, actually. That's unbelievable. That was still on there where I'm at. I find that amazing. Can't make this shit up, folks. If you want to know what part of town I'm in, this is the part of town I'm in. That's a mailbox. I've seen a lot of shit in my life. I've not seen a shopping cart loaded down with bricks be a mailbox. Not that I'm making fun of people that had to do what they had to do to get a mailbox, but shopping cart with bricks and ratchet straps to hold everything down. I don't believe that's federally approved by the United States Postal Service. Old TV. A lot of metal. I already use it for what I want. Cord. It's a shame right there. That is a shame. Busted up piano. Hey, there's a broom in there. Don't think I really want it. Well, so I could take that, I guess. Freezers I can't take. That I'll take that. Oh. Can't impress upon you just how much my back is hurting. Just in case y'all want to see what I can see. It's another cord. Nada. One more in this area. Well, I don't know if it's going to have a cord on it. I can't take it other than that. There's another bin. Don't think I really need it. And somebody's already got the cord, so move on. All right. Try to look at this dumpster. Ow. Damn, my back's hurting. For metal of some sort. And sure enough, where I didn't think I would find metal, I found metal. Well, kinda. It's a computer frame. That is metal. And the rest of the computer and glass. So, a cord. Let's throw that in. And 20 seconds of, I could probably get shot in here. That one there doesn't even have a door on it from being kicked in. I think get the hell out of here. A couple things worth taking. Shouldn't do too much in that. Oh, a muffler. Trash. Nothing but. Phew. Down and look. If you don't, you're not gonna find shit. Pretty much exactly what I was looking for earlier. It's funny how things just kind of fall in your lap. this before the scrapyard closed. That. Then and you get there, four, scrapyard closes. Christmas tree. Oh yeah, that ain't got it. Now the question is, it's 2:20. Why don't we just go back to the scrapyard? I said I get one more or two more appliances, I could make a scrap run with what I got. Well, let's go to the scrapyard, shall we? Question is, am I going to be able to make it back to the scrapyard before they close at 3? with the 2 appliances and assorted metal. Bucket of wires again with those 2 big ass cords. A little bit of aluminum. I mean, it's not a big load, but it's a load that I picked up just an hour being out. It makes no sense to drag these things all the way back to the Scrap for Cash World headquarters when I can get rid of them, get paid, have empty truck, go scrap some more. So the race is on. Let's see what happens. He's holding his door open, you know.
What's going on, man?
Damn it. And I was heading back to the house. I wasn't even going scrapping. All this, that apartment complex. Do you need that cut off that cool? And she tells me these are definitely more expensive by themselves. You know how many of them I've...
Yeah, I didn't know it either until they told me. They were like, hey, the copper and that's sticking up, they don't even got to trim it. It can be number 1. I'm like,
God damn.
good to know.
Yeah, that is good. That is good to know.
Like that 1 cord, like 5 pounds. Don't
Seriously?
seem like it, but
No.
That's what I was telling her. It's like,
Yeah, and that's the reason I'm doing it, because you told her that.
it's like not having to happen.
And I don't know. Yeah. That's it. I'm dumping them appliances and I'm gonna drive home with blinders on.
Okay. Sometimes it makes the drive better.
Adds up, man. It adds up.
Every little bit, man.
Thanks, boss.
Appreciate it. Have
See
a
ya.
great day.
You too, Bob.
Back so soon, huh?
I was going home. I was driving home, went by an apartment complex, and they had all this shit sitting out by their dumpster, and it just...
You had to stop.
I
and get it.
can't fucking
Can't
let
pass
it.
up free
Nope,
with me.
nope, 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 nope.
Did you say this was your part of your retirement?
Yeah, yeah. This is my retirement plan. Looks to me like there's a lot of people out there. Yeah, yeah.
What? I said he said once he retires from this, he's retired for good.
Amen, brother. That will keep the wood. Can't believe somebody threw that wood away. It's hard to come by. Well, the only thing I turned in was scrap that I picked up when I left here before. So, the crutches just in case anybody wants to know, 2 crutches pays $1.50. I had 260 pounds, and that was the appliances. That was $22. That stainless pot that I took out of the dumpster paid $1.50. Those 2 dryer cords, one was a dryer cord, one was a stove cord. Those 2 paid $8.50. And just the wire that I picked up that you saw paid $4.80. $38.40 for that run. And I've got stuff at the house that I didn't even go back and get a full load. I decided I was going to do a little scrapping because my back is bothering me. And I ended up having to load 2 appliances, but so money-wise, that's about $150 a day. If you take out the $25 I spent in fuel, which I still have plenty of, it's $125 a day. And right now is when scrapping should begin. It's later in the afternoon. Now people are going to start putting their stuff out, so we're going to keep going. I ain't got shit to say about that. I think that'll probably hold for time being. Oh, mother. Damn it. I swear to God, I'm taking that trailer hitch off. Ow! Damn, that hurt. There's a dent. Ow.